सुशांत, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका इस कन्वर्सेशन में। आपकी जो फिल्म आ रही है,
आपकी आवाज़ इतनी अच्छी है, मैं पहले ही नर्वस हो गया।
ड्यूरिंग पब्लिक रिव्यूज़ और भी आवाज़ मेरी बैठ गई, नहीं तो अलग थी। ओके, आपकी जो फिल्म आ रही है इसकी बहुत ही ज़्यादा चर्चा है, कुछ ही दिन बचे हैं, क्या कहेंगे, किस तरह से आप एक्साइटेड है इस फिल्म को लेकर?
इसी चीज़ को लेके ये आखिरी की चीज़ रह जाती है जिसमें आप कुछ कर नहीं सकते लेकिन आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है। एज एन एक्ट फिल्म्स मैं डिफरेंट रीजंस की वजह से करता हूँ और सभी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है
जी
अपनी अपनी जगह पे। और ये सब के साथ जो आता है वो अल्टीमेटली इट गेट्स फॉर्म्स अ लूप व्हेन यू कम एंड वॉच इट एंड देन इट एंड्स, राइट? तो सिर्फ एक चीज़ रह जाती है। मुझे पता है कि आप लोग फिल्म तभी देखोगे जब आपको ट्रेलर अच्छी लगेगी, उसके बीच में मैं क्या करता हूँ सुबह फर्क नहीं पड़ता। बट या इट्स माई जॉब टू डू इट एंड आई शुड बी डूइंग इट, सो आई डू इट। आई जस्ट वांट दैट व्हेन यू कम एंड यू लाइक द ट्रेलर एंड यू कम, you should not be disappointed investing 2 hours. So that is one thing that is still left knowing, which I want to happen, and that is why I'm excited. Other than that, I feel I've done my job, and it's time enough to think about the next one.
You are excited, your fans are excited, but at the same time, people are expecting a lot from this movie.
Well, yeah, so but there's nothing that I can do with that. All I can do is with my present understanding of my capabilities as an actor, I would just push that the risk enough for the next one to keep me.
Do you think it's a risk?
If there was no risk, then I should not be doing it.
Right.
You know, because I have to keep myself engaged. Like I said, there are many things that because of which I do acting. One of which is I have to be consistently engaged. If I'm thinking about something else, even if I'm a good actor, you won't like it because I won't be doing a good job, right?
Right.
Even if I'm doing a good job and you know that I was distracted all the time, you would not feel great. So I know that, and I work on that. And to continuously do it, I've done theatre, TV, and films for last 12 years. And the reason why I can do it is not because I'm good. It's not because I know about acting that probably others who are not here don't know. It's just about I find a reason seductive enough in terms of I don't know how to do it completely to keep me engaged every film by
What
film.
was it about this project that seduced you?
Well, of all that we should talk about, no matter how cliche it might sound, we should start with love. So it's reason enough to come together. Two, no matter, we can get meanings, we can argue on meanings, we can never argue on feelings. If I feel and you're paying attention, it is proven fact that you will feel that what I'm feeling. So there is no denying of that fact. It's not subjective. All the emotions that were there in the script, thanks to the writer and the director who understood the importance and pulled off the film, knew that those emotions are the emotions that we should be feeling together. No matter in any context. Films are for entertainment, but still, we can come together and feel togetherness. This is the film that talks not only about the importance of this thing, of coming together, but coming together in a fictional way also, which is the film. So it was reason enough to do it. Second, it was so many other things that I probably know but have never felt. I can understand that it can happen but never felt. Or I have felt and I want to relive. And other things like physical stuff. Can I do this? Can I do that? Can I do underwater and give expressions when you can't see anything? But there are so many actions to do. Like last many minutes are underwater or around water, you can say. So was I sure that I would do it? No, absolutely not. Or was I sure that I can do it? Absolutely. And that's why I did it. Yes, sorry.
Sorry. So what I wanted to ask you was about Kedarnath. We all know about the floods, but it is the emotional connect which is attracting all the viewers. So what do you have to say about it? Do you think it will be able to, connect with the audience?
Events in itself mean nothing if it's already not relevant to you. When you think about Kedarnath flood, it is just not water gushing through a city, which is supposed to be divine. It is about, so many families were there. They were together praying. There were so many difficult predicament that they went through. What could be? And you try and play different roles, and because when you read it, that's what you do. You play a mother and you think what she's feeling. You play the kid and you play, oh shit, if the kid is all alone, how is she feeling? Well, this is what you've already done. So it was never about floods.
Yeah.
This film is a very coherent story of many characters coming together that you probably would have related individually. Great thing is that it is coming together from one story, which will keep you engaged for 2 hours. But all the emotions you already know, and you will feel it again. That's what I said. Emotions worthy enough to feel again, even when we know what it is.
While during the shooting in Kedarnath, have you got an experience to met with the survivor who, at that time?
Absolutely.
So have you got any story which you felt goosebumps? You heard about anything?
Almost every, if I were not getting goosebumps, hearing their story, there's some problem with me, not with the story. Because any kind of disruption in anybody's life, if you're not predicting, it is a story that you would tell, and I should understand that it can happen to me, it can happen to anybody. And, I feel it. So, of course, what you're saying, and as an actor, this is something that I feel that we often miss out saying it. When we come together, directors have the list of things that are very specific that we need to do. DOPs, they know what lenses, what camera, everything, and everybody has as an actor, we miss out on specifics. It's not that we don't know what to do. Of course, we know what to do, but there are no clear things. There are few. One of which is this, that you are supposed to do what is required, right? So if I'm talking about love in a context which is so sensitive, I should be responsible enough to know how it feels, so that number one, I portray it, and number two, I exactly know as an actor where not to cross the line, so that you are again not hurt, probably because of it. But evaluation is important, but not the reason why I do what I do.
Shashank, also you've done theatre, you've done television, you've done films. What has been the most difficult for you as an actor?
The characters are difficult if we are talking difficult context of difficulty. But these mediums are completely different. And I've read, it is also subjective. I've read many places that, it is just minor tweaking here and there. No, it's not. It is absolutely different. You do the same thing in a different place, it is different. You play a different character, it is different. It is as dynamic as that. We are changing the way we act so that we are keeping the audience in mind. We know that there's a live interaction in the theatre. So as an actor, it is not what you feel which is just important. It is what you feel together, which also tells you what to do next. So if there is a laughter, you pause. Right? But we were told there's a fourth one. Why the discrepancy? No, but that's a nuance that we have to follow. Here we know that we can take multiple takes, but you feel that I'm acting in a consistent way. I might do that, but this is something else. And of course, TV is again the same thing. I have to hold your attention for a very long period of time. So it is just not coming up with new things every day, but structuring it together so that it is one big show, not 2 hours of that time. So yeah, it's completely different. As an actor, I need to pretend to the level of belief. That's my job. That is diametrically different with the second character. So that's...
Talking about difficulty.
Sorry.
Talking about difficulty, just taking question forward, how difficult was it to portray your role in Kedarnath, where you had to carry people and climb and everything?
It was not difficult at all, and I would be very honest to you. I don't choose difficult things at all in my life. I work so that I don't have to. I minimize my difficulty in my life. But I know what you're saying. You're saying how much effort did I put in? A lot of it, but great thing, I was so excited that I was foolish enough not to analyze it or know it. When you're playing, you don't know. You fall, like scratches everywhere, you don't remember. Probably when you're studying, oh my God, but when you're studying, not when you're playing. It's that. So am I suggesting that it is like a play for me? Not in terms of seriousness. I also understand the importance of it. It can be used in a very important way. But having said that, it is actually not difficult at all. Because I like it. Happen to like it. That's a good thing.
एक फिल्म आपने पहले की थी धोनी, जिसमें डेब्यूटेंट के साथ आपने किया था. अभी केदारनाथ दूसरी फिल्म है जो भी डेब्यूटेंट के साथ है.
हाँ.
तो आप एक्सपीरियंस
बहुत सारे मैंने डेब्यूट.
हाँ, एक्सपीरियंस के साथ भी आप काम कर सकते हैं. तो क्या कुछ अलग लगता है दोनों में?
और सर इस पर एक और चीज़ जोड़ूंगा कि क्या कुछ सीखते हैं डेब्यूटेंट के साथ में कुछ नए?
मैं अगर कहीं मुझे पता चल जाए कि मैं कुछ सीखने नहीं वाला हूँ तो मैं जाऊँगा ही नहीं. मैं बहुत मतलबी हूँ. सो आई एम सेइंग, इज दिस द ओनली थिंग दैट आई लुक फॉरवर्ड टू? एब्सोल्युटली नॉट. बिकॉज अगर मैं सिर्फ सीखने इसमें सिर्फ अगर मैं सीखने निकलूँ तो मैं मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान हो जाऊँगा सीखते सीखते. बट वॉट आई कैन डू इज़, it's a very easy way to do it, and this is something which I would like to, I know I'm going slightly off, but it is important, so I have to say it. This is something that we are also getting in the education system. We are rigging it with games. We would realize the importance of the skills later. That is it. That is fine. We don't have to know right from the very beginning, as long as we are getting the right things, right? That's why games are, so gamification of education is happening. Similarly, gamification of film industry, all these things would happen. You would see next 3-5 years when virtual reality would come and augmented reality would come. Now predictions are that it will be 100 times more disruptive than when the sound came. Imagine when the sound came, what was the change? This is 100 times more disruptive. So yeah, so to say that question again so that I can give you one line answer for that again. I have given it the context.
How have you learned anything from the debutant?
So yeah, so this is one thing that I always, while I keep my interest going, my personal liking for what I do, I also very, very, very aware of anything that I can pick up which will help me connect with you better. And if I'm picking up things from you, I'm already connecting with you better. Let me say that.
Sir, it's a love story placed, planted in a very sensitive situation, and certain boundaries.
Real situation.
Real situation, but sensitive situations, and certain boundaries are not meant to be broken. What were those boundaries?
No, you're mixing context.
What do
What
you
happens
say?
is, when I accurately answer a question, we remember the answer, we forget the context. Then we place that answer in a slightly different context and it sounds distorted. It is not intentional, but that's how it sounds like. This is not what I said vis-a-vis your question. I was talking on my personal capacity as an actor. As an actor. And the things that I know that I can influence as a participant of a film. Because film has that thing, not me. Right? So that
There
was
were
a different
no
context.
boundaries or
There
fears
would be.
as such.
There would be. But let me tell you, there are people responsible enough all around me who would take care of these things.
Sushant, how film reviews are important in these days, because reviews are the part which, sensitive part which can affect the business of a movie. तो आप क्या कहेंगे इसके बारे में, जो रिव्यूज आजकल होते हैं, क्रिटिसिज्म भी अलग तरीके से होते हैं. एनीथिंग यू वांट टू से?
Do you think the box office numbers will play an important role in the success of the film?
Depending on who is looking for it. Very much depends on that. Not that there are some, actors are insulated from that. No, of course not. There will be consequences. There are consequences to almost everything that happens in your life. So, but that is not the differentiator. That is important, but not important enough for me. I could be wrong, but for me to worry about it.
नमो नमो सॉन्ग है, हर किसी का कॉलर ट्यून हो चुका है. सो हाउ मच आर यू स्पिरिचुअल?
मेरे कैरेक्टर, एक चीज़ से बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे हेल्प मिलती है किसी भी कैरेक्टर को प्ले करने के लिए. वो होते हैं, मुझे पता नहीं, मैं उसको बता नहीं सकता, बट कोई गाने होते हैं या कोई कॉम्पोजिशन होते हैं जो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा कैरेक्टर लगता है, बहुत ज़्यादा, कि अगर ये पता नहीं क्या रिलेशन, लेकिन आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा कि अच्छा ये गाना, जैसे आप कुछ स्मेल करते हो तो आपको याद आता ना, ये तो बचपन में खाते थे,
राइट,
कैसे इवेंट याद आ गया, वैसे ही है ये चीज़. तो मैंने नमो नमो शंकरा सबसे पहले फिल्म शुरू होने के पहले भी सुना था, मुझे एकदम ही बहुत अच्छा लगा. अभी मेरे और फिर जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ रहा था तो मुझे बिल्कुल ये पता था कि मुझे अपना
लोग रिफ्रेश हो जाते जब भी
मुझे
गाना
अपना
सुनते हैं.
कैरेक्टर इस पे बेस करना. सो इफ यू लाइक द कैरेक्टर दैट आई हैव प्लेड, प्लीज रिमेंबर दैट इट वाज बेस्ड ऑन द सॉन्ग. इफ यू डोंट लाइक व्हाट आई प्लेड, देन रिमेंबर दैट आई वेंट फ्रॉम द सॉन्ग.
Last
Sir,
question.
Yes. You were
lastly,
Urmi will ask. You ask, then we will back.
sure.
Like besides obviously your work in the movies, like there are a lot of other things which are deeply involved into, you know. So, and actors in general are people say is a very self-obsessed lot. So you know, for you to totally distance yourself from all this, from the glamour and glitz and good. So how is it like, you know, oscillating between two worlds?
No, I'm not distancing myself with. I'm not intentionally thinking of distancing myself from glamour or anything like that. No, it's not. There are three things. One, do I know that I can have it? Yes. Two, do I have it? Yes. Three, do I take extra effort to tell you that I have it? Well, let's just say that there are other interesting things. But you want, I mean, like, there's a limit to which you will like. And then you're like, don't waste my time, say something new, right? I don't have to, put it in your face and look, see how well off I am. Because it's not a great thing in meaning. And also, I've got plenty of other interesting things to do than this. So I don't do the third thing, because of which there is an appearance that I don't like these things. Absolutely not. You give me money, you give me fame, I'll keep it. But I don't decide. Those are not the reasons why I do what I do. But those are important things. I know that.
Do you think 7 December is the perfect release date? Don't you think it can get sandwiched between 0 and 2.0?
Now I'm scared. I feel that we got audiences enough and theaters enough, so that two films good films releasing on the same day can also flourish if they are good films, and they should. And it happens. That's a great thing. Being a sandwich is a great thing.
Right.
I also saw that you love gaming. All done then. So besides when you're shooting, what do you like doing when you're shooting? Is that the only thing you do? Do you like reading?
Yeah, I also am thinking of making games.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, virtual reality games.
Oh, so you do that?
Yeah, so the thing that we are talking about, so in that gaming, education is rigged. It's the other way around.
Nice.
So people get to know about things that will be relevant in the